Is this working? Autofocus, autofocus, autofocus. Hi everybody, my name is January. I am the person behind JanuarySnaps, which is my very low-key, not very famous online profile for sharing my photography, which has been a new hobby for me ever since I turned that many years old. I've always been interested. I actually majored in film and TV production, but mainly because I wanted to direct and be an actor. So this is still kind of new territory for me. Anyway, all that to say, I've always been interested in the Fuji ecosystem. For my birthday, I bought myself a camera and I've just been shooting every day a little bit, snapping a little bit and seeing how that helps me. Also, I have a lot of cats and this is one of them. So after a lot of research, I definitely decided to go for the xt30 Mark II. Again, here it is. Focus! Because I heard from everybody that this was just a really great gateway camera, and comparatively to a lot of other mirrorless cameras around this size and portability and kind of interchangeable lens setup I was looking at in the Fuji line, I felt like this had such great reviews, even though it's actually quite a few years old. It has such great feedback online in the Fuji community, and I heard that it was so perfect to learn on. Having used it, I think the body is such a perfect size. I don't have the biggest of all hands, but it's just a perfect size, and I love carrying it around. Like when I have it on a little wristlet strap or have it around my neck, it's literally so portable. And of course, the ability to interchange my lens setup has been so key in learning how to shoot and how to work with things like exposure, aperture, ISO, and play around with all the things with shutter speed, etc., etc. So I've really enjoyed it. I would recommend this body to everyone, and this is also going to be the one that I keep forever because I just love her so much. The first lens that I got for my xt30 Mark II, which I got without a lens and body only, I got the 35mm f2 lens. Here the aperture ring, as most people do. Ooh. Ooh. This is what it looks like with it on. Look how cute it is. I mean, I know it could feel a tiny bit longer here than the 27mm pancake lens, but low-key, this is because the xt30 again is so portable, this body is so small and portable, that this is actually a really great lens to take along the streets with you, take it to any kind of dinner and not look a little, a little too stupid taking pictures of your food. I have such a fun time with this lens. This is probably my second most used lens right now. It's practically glued to my camera. The first time I got it, I was shooting it at night because I wanted to test out how that aperture at f2 looked fully open, and it was beautiful. I'm including some footage here of shooting around while driving at night. So you get plenty of light in low light situations, and it's just autofocus is fairly snappy, definitely not slow by any means. But I found that the f2 is super user-friendly. Also the focal length in terms of 35, it's just tight enough where you feel like you can take good candid photos, good events photos, but at the same time, it's not so tight where you feel like you can't get the establishment shots, right? So for me, provided that you're moving your feet, you can actually get fairly wide photos and still establish the atmosphere and get kind of those crisp, clear pictures. The bokeh on this, fantastic. The creaminess of depth of field when you open it wide up, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, just so portable, so cute, definitely reliable. I love shooting on it. I don't foresee myself selling this lens ever, but you never know. So comments and thoughts, welcome. Let me know if you have the 35 f2. Let me know if you have cats that interrupt, your filming of all the things. And then let me know, what is your favorite glass? Maybe I already have some of them.